friends.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So today we've come up to Coombe Hill Nature Reserve, which is a Gloucestershire Wildlife Trust reserve. It's an old disused canal. It runs for a couple of miles through Gloucestershire.
Bullfinch.
You're joking?
Oh,
Where? Is he still there? Oh my god, you need to get your camera out. Oh, it's there.
so we haven't even started yet. We haven't even
No.
got the car yet.
I know. What, on that, that's on that tree?
That was me.
On that tree there? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, it's just gone. Bullfinch. I've only ever seen a bullfinch up here once.
It's actually looking a bit windy.
It is, isn't it? And very muddy.
Welly walking today.
Yeah, definitely.
Squishy welly walking.
God, I can't believe I missed it. But that's only the start, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Bullfinch. Have you seen a bullfinch up here before?
No, I don't think so. Greenfinch?
Bullfinch don't normally hang around for too long, do they?
I'm just wondering if... Was it lapwings? If all the lapwings...
Yeah. Oh, they make such a nice noise, don't
Yeah.
they? Pee-wee.
Because...
Go on, you do it.
It's a radio. It's a radio sound.
Yeah. It is, isn't it? Yeah, and it's like
Yeah.
pee-wee.
I still think it sounds like a radio. Anyway,
Yeah, yeah.
this time last year we saw, was it over 800 lapwings?
Yeah. Because the twitch is in the... the twitch is in the hide.
Yeah, they were counting.
Yeah.
Don't know
There's
how
a
they do-
there's a method of how you count birds, isn't there?
don't they like group them up or something? Don't know. So yeah, so I'm just wondering if we're going to see a lot of
Migration.
waders or... I'm disappointed that we haven't seen no waxwings. Are you disappointed we haven't seen any waxwings?
To be fair,
I don't think it's cold enough where they are to come here.
where we did see them though, in that year in whatever year it was, I think it was a total fluke, and I think they just...
Because then after the temperature drops so that they come over here or something. Is it?
They are over in the UK, but it's just whereabouts they are. I think it was just pure luck that we saw them.
What was the bird you saw last time you
Up
were?
here.
It looked like it had a blackbird squashed on its head.
Yes. Oh, a red poll. Never seen one of them before, so that was a new. Apparently I was lucky to get a picture of it,
Oh right.
even if it was a dodgy picture.
Better than none. Oh, I love crispy bacon. I actually think there's more brown sauce than bacon.
Oh, still good though.
There's a load of greenfinches over there as well. I think it's actually better to walk that side because they've chopped all the hedges and stuff
Oh
down.
yeah. So do the birds eat the mistletoe berries? Or
I
do
thought they were poisonous.
Or they, no, I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Maybe you could answer that one for us.
Yes. Oh, I thought I was a buzzard then.
This morning, got a little bit delayed because I saw a sparrow walk in the garden. And then he sort of like took off and he was like hovering up, and I thought, oh, if I had my camera now I could get a right good belly shot.
Didn't you then?
By the time I got in and gone, only hang around for seconds, didn't they? I was hanging my washing out. You don't think to take a camera out when you're hanging your washing out, do you?
No. Well, I hope we see something today.
Yes. Yes. Hope so. We saw the Buick swans last week
Oh yeah.
at Slimbridge.
Did you see the spoonbill?
No. What's that? Oh no. Looked a bit tidy.
Yeah. Not a flappy one.
No.
Anyway, come with us. Let's see what we can see.
Yeah. Can we finish our coffee first?
There. The nest is still there, but I don't think there's anything of your video in it, you bugger! The nest is still in there, but I don't think there's anything. Look how brave I am. If one flies out, I'm gonna run.
Yeah. And knock me over.